Hello everyone, this is Namita here. Welcome you all in today's session. Today we are going to read about the chapter Our Changing Earth. So here are the Dalmia core values which you are gonna develop through this session. These are growth mindset and metacognition. Now we will read about the work of sea waves. Features made by sea waves are sea caves, sea arches, stag, sea cliffs. Firstly, we will talk about the sea cave. So what is sea cave? The erosion and deposition of the sea waves give rise to coastal landforms and they continuously strike at the rocks, developing cracks. The cracks become larger and wider over time, due to which hollow-like caves are formed on the rocks. They are called sea caves. So I think now this is clear that what are sea caves. Nextly, we will read about the sea arches. When these cavities become bigger and bigger, only the roof of the caves remain. It forms sea arches. The next one is sea stacks. Erosion breaks the roof and only walls are left, and these wall-like features are called stacks. The next is sea cliff. The steep rocky coast rising almost vertically above seawater is called sea cliff. The sea waves deposit sediments along the shores forming beaches. Next, we will read about the work of ice. So these are the following: glaciers and glacial moraines. Glaciers. Glaciers are rivers of ice which erode the landscape by bulldozing soil and stones to expose the solid rock below. Glaciers carve out deep hollows there. As the ice melts, they get filled up with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountains. Now, what is glacial moraines? The material carried by the glacier, such as rocks, big and small, sand and silt, gets deposited and forms glacial moraines. The next one is, we will read about the work of wind. So, here is the work of the wind. So, the features are mushroom rocks, sand dunes and loess. So firstly, I will tell you about the work of the wind. In the desert, an active agent of erosion and deposition is wind. Now, what are mushroom rocks? In deserts, rocks can be shaped like a mushroom, commonly called mushroom rocks. Next is the sand dunes. When the wind blows, it lifts and transports sand from one place to another. When it stops blowing, the sand falls and gets deposited in low hill-like structures. These are called sand dunes. The next one is loess. When the grains of sand are very fine and light, the wind can carry it over very long distances. When such sand is deposited in large areas, it is called loess. So students, now the chapter is over and we will meet again in the next session for next chapter. Till then, Goodbye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. And keep studying.